Hello friends, welcome back to automationtestinginsider.com. So this is Selenium WebDriver part 54, and in the previous video we have seen how to capture the screenshot of failed test cases. Now today I'm going to show you how to capture full page screenshot and a screenshot of any particular web element. Okay. So first let's understand like what do you mean by full page screenshot and a screenshot of any particular web element. Okay. So earlier we used to take the screenshot of this page only, the page which we can see, right? I mean, as per the screen size only we can take the screenshot as per our previous sessions. Okay, the couple of sessions we have gone through, and using that we can take the screenshot of this particular page only. But if you see in this automationtestinginsider.com in my blog, we have some more contents at bottom as well. Okay, if I scroll down, then only I'm able to see the contents at bottom. So here we have scroll option, right? So by scrolling this we can get the whatever contents at bottom. Okay. Now we'll take the screenshot of this complete page, okay, from starting from here till last by scrolling down this page. Okay, so today we'll look into it how we can do this. Okay, and another thing is we can take the screenshot of any particular web element as well. Okay, let's say this ATI image, so we can take the screenshot of this particular image only. Okay, I'm not talking about the entire page. We can capture the screenshot of this particular web element as well, and you can take any other web elements as well, like Selenium tutorial is here, software testing, Java questions and answers. So any particular web element you can take the screenshot. Okay, yeah, so how we can do that? Okay, that is the most important question. And so we are going to use an utility that is third party utility that is called Ashot API. So using that API we'll take the screenshot of full page screenshot, and we can take the screenshot of any particular web element. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, already I have created a project. Okay, this WebDriver concept you can see here, and already I have created some classes over here. Okay, so we'll look into one by one, and this is the POM file. So what we need to do is we need to just add the dependency of Ashot API. Okay, so how you can get this? So simply if you type on Google Ashot Maven dependency, okay, and you will get this first link. Just open that, and here you will see the dependency. You need to just add this into your project, and if you are not using Maven, then you can download the jar file. Okay, I'll provide the jar file link in my blog. Okay, so already I have covered this topic in my blog. Okay, so I'll show you at the end of this video, and I'll provide the link in the description box of this video. Okay. So this is the dependency which I have added, and these are some other dependencies which we have already done in previous sessions, right? Selenium Java, we need Selenium Java, we need TestNG, and this commons IO for file utils class. Okay, so this is about dependencies, and now let me open this one, full page screenshot. Okay, so here I have created a class called full screenshot. Simply you have to just declare the WebDriver at the top, and here I have setup method. Inside this setup method only I have or you can rename it to full page screenshot like this, and simply you need to just save it. So yeah, this is the method, and here we have just launched the browser in by using Chrome driver object. Okay, by creating the object of Chrome driver, and yeah, this is to maximize the window, and this is simply we are navigating to this automationtestinginsider.com. Okay, Let me just show you what is this link, so we can understand. So by running that program, it should take the screenshot of this entire page in this automationtestinginsider.com web page. Okay, so let's come back, and what you need to do is you need to just write couple of lines of code. Okay, we need to just create the object of Ashot API, Ashot class. Okay, and this is the object. Okay, and we need to just call couple of methods. So here we have shooting strategy. So what it does is, if you mouse over here, sets the policy of taking screenshot. So this sets the property of taking the screenshot. How? So here internally I'm calling one method called viewport pasting, and here this is the time in milliseconds. Okay, so basically what it does is it will shoot the page. Okay, by scrolling down the page like this, it will scroll down the page like this. Okay, and yeah, at last we need to just call this method. So if you don't use this one, then it will take the screenshot of this page without scrolling down. Okay, this particular uh, the screen page only. Okay, as per the screen size, it will take the screenshot if you don't use this method. Okay, and finally we need to just call this take screenshot. Okay, to take the screenshot. So this is very simple code, and what we need to do is copy the screenshot to desired location. Earlier we used to do, we have done, right? And we used this time image io class, and here we have write method, and this will take three parameters. One is uh, will get the image. Okay, so by using this method get image, we'll get the image from here. By uh, we have performed this shooting, right? And we'll get the image by calling get image method, and the format would be png, and this is the path of our new file location, new screenshot. Okay, the screenshot which we are going to take, full screenshot. Okay, so this is the path, and yeah, I have included a try catch block, this couple of lines of code. Okay, and simply at last we are closing the browser. So let's run this. So already I have added this source code in my blog. I'll show you at the end of this video. So you can see the browser is launched, maximized, and navigated to automationtestinginsider.com, and now it will scroll down. Here you can see it is scrolling down by the time which we have given, like half of the second, 0.05 second, 0.5 seconds. Okay. So it is done. You can see total test 1, failure 0. The test full page screenshot method got executed successfully. Now I forgot to tell you, here in this location I have created one folder called screenshot in my uh, project. Okay, in this project we have this screenshot folder. Here you can see. Now simply we need to just refresh that, and if you open that, already we had this login page. Now it's created, right? So let me just open this. Now here you can see it it has taken the entire page screenshot. Okay, let me show you from the location properties. You can go here directly, and here you can see this is the image we got shot. 1 second, why it is not on. You can do zoom in zoom out like this. Why it is not coming? Yeah, now it is happening like this. Here you can see we got the entire page screenshot. So you can perform a full page screenshot like this using Ashot API. So this is very simple, guys. Okay, so this is about a full page screenshot. Now I'll show you how to take the screenshot of any particular web element. So here we have one class called element screenshot. Okay, and let's change the name of screenshot of this method. Okay, and simply what we have done here is this is to launch the browser. Okay, simply, and here we are navigating to Orange HRM application. Okay, let me show you. And here we'll do one thing, we'll take the screenshot of particular web element, that is txt username. uh, why this is Spanish? Okay, I think language it asked beginning. Let me try one more time. Yeah, English. Yeah, now it is English. So we'll take the screenshot of username. Let's not take username for the first time. Let's take this login button. So ID. So this is the ID of this login button, and we'll put it over here. Okay. So here we are locating web element. Okay. So this web element. Okay, store in this web element variable element driver dot find element by dot id button login. Okay. So this is simple till here, and simply what we'll take the screenshot of this particular element. Okay, and guys, one more thing, we'll perform to take the screenshot of particular element in two ways. So this is the way using Ashot API. Okay, so how we can do that, I'll show you. So as per the previous class, we need to just create the screenshot of we need to create the object of Ashot API, Ashot class. Okay, so here I have created the object, and we need to call couple of other methods. Okay, so we have this method coords provider. Okay, so this is to just get the coordinates of that image, that particular web element. So that's why we have called this method. Okay, and inside that we need to just create the object of WebDriver coords provider. Simply you need to just write the code like this. Okay, and at last we need to just call this take screenshot method like we have done in the previous example as well. While taking the full screenshot, right, we are calling the method take screenshot at the end. So here also we need to just call this method. So by writing this couple of lines of code, we can get the screenshot of particular web element. And now we need to just copy the element screenshot to desired location like we did in the previous class. So we are locating in this element screenshot. This is the file name in this screenshot folder. Okay, and if you see, we don't have anything over here. Let's, if you want, you can delete them as well. Okay, so this will take the screenshot of this login button. Let's do it. Right click and run as TestNG test. So this is the simplest way. The other method is little bit tough. We need to call so many methods in that. So I'll show you that one as well. So there are two ways we can capture the screenshot of any particular web element. So this is done. We'll refresh the project, and here we got element screenshot. I'll open in the location itself. So here you can see. So this is login button. Actually it opens in Spanish right now, so that's why it is written in Spanish language. Okay, so this is how you can get the uh, particular web element screenshot. Now the third or the second method of particular how we can take the screenshot of any particular web element, we'll see. So this is the class which I have created. So in this method what we are going to do is we'll take the screenshot of entire page, okay, entire page, and then we'll crop it. Okay, suppose I want to take the screenshot of this login or this image. So first I will take the screenshot of this entire page and then I'll crop it to this particular web element. Okay, so how to do that? So simply change the name of this method, and here what we have done, simply I have launched the browser, okay, and if you navigate this, so for this one I have taken different example. This is open source CMS WordPress website, okay. So we'll take the screenshot of this login now. So here we have, one second, I think that is login only. So here you can see, okay, so let's see that. So how to take the screenshot? So first get the entire page screenshot. How we can take that? So earlier we have created the object in the previous two sessions, okay. We have created the object of text screenshot. I mean we have taken, because this is a interface, right? So we have taken a reference variable, and in that reference variable we have assigned driver, okay. So simply we are assigning the driver over here, and we are storing in file object, okay. So this is a screenshot. So we are getting the screenshot from this line of code. This already we have done, okay, in the previous two sessions. Now we'll read the image, okay. We need to just crop it, right? So we get the screenshot from here, and using buffered image class we'll call one method from image IO class. So that method is read, okay. So we'll read the screenshot this file, okay. So the screenshot which we have taken, we'll read that. Why? Because we need to get the location of the image, we need to get the width and height, you can see here. So using point class we have taken, okay, so this is point, what is it? A copy of java adapter point to remove dependency on. So here you can see the get location, where on the page is the top left hand corner. So this will get the location of the image, okay, the particular web element, and we have width, get height as well, okay. Simply we'll locate the particular web element, and what we need to do now, after locating that particular web element, we need to just crop the entire page screenshot to get only the element screenshot, okay. So how to do that? So here we got the we read the complete image, right, full image. So I have created a variable called full image, and we need to just call one method, that is get sub image. And here we need to call couple of methods, like we'll get the x coordinates, y x position, y coordinates position, and simply will provide the width and height of particular web element. And now the image has been cropped, right? Now what we'll do, we'll write that into screenshot, okay. So how to write? So here we have write method. So this is element screenshot, this one, this variable, the format should be png, and we are overwrite in this screenshot file, okay. So this is done, the cropping things. Now we'll create the object of file, so screenshot location. So this is the location of our file which we are the screenshot which we are going to store in the same location. And simply using copy file, we'll copy the file from screenshot from here to this location, okay. So the location which we have given at the above line. So this is done. At the end of the script, we'll close the browser. So this is also I mean, it's kind of a little bit confusing as well. Probably you might get confused because we need to call so many methods. And using Ashot, it's very easy to take the screenshot of any particular web element. But for knowledge purpose, this is also very good. I mean, example, because at the time of interview, interviewer might ask like, what are the different ways we can take the screenshot of particular web element, so you can answer them. And there are two ways. Okay, let me just run this, run as a TestNG test. Browser is launched, it will navigate. Yeah, here you can see it is passed. Element is screenshot. Let me just refresh it, and here you can see this one is created, right? So if you go to that location, here you can see the login image has been taken. Okay, so this is how you can perform I mean, you can take the screenshot of any particular web element. Let's do one more exercise. Okay, what we'll do using the previous method. Okay, from here Ashot will take the screenshot of Google image. Okay, so simply you'll type google.com is already there. So google.com, and google.com, let's take the screenshot of this Google image. Okay, simply what I'll do, right click and copy XPath, will modify. Okay, so this is the XPath, so we'll use this XPath. Okay, just copy this and come back to our code, and instead of this one we'll write this, copy paste this XPath, and here I'll put XPath. Okay, so this is done. Here we have google.com. Now let's run this. We'll see whether it will take the screenshot of Google image or not. And I'll do one thing, I'll delete. Second, I think it is already moved somewhere. That's fine. Okay, yeah, I think already we have deleted. That's fine. Now let's run this. Navigate it to google.com and it will close the browser. Okay, it is done, successfully executed. Here you can see successfully passed. Now simply refresh this project, and here we got, here you can see. Okay, so this is how you can take the screenshot of any particular image. So this is all for today, guys. And yeah, I forgot to tell you, already I have created a blog on this. So if you go to my blog, automationtestinginsider.com, and just navigate to Selenium tutorial, and here I have created the post on this, how to take the full page screenshot and screenshot of an web element. Okay, so here I have created the post and given the source code as well, so you can take the reference of the source code. Okay, this is a screenshot of web element by Ashot API, and here we have a screenshot of web element by cropping the image. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.